A fair amount of time has passed since the previous installment of this video. For example, you might notice that the mixing space we are in is a little bit different. I rearranged a number of things, not only in the mixing room, but also in the recording booth. If you are interested in watching any of that happen, or if you are interested in the videos of me building the studio, I'll put links to that in the description below.
Film scores. It's about film scoring.
As far as the score goes, I met with the director and he is pleased as punch with it as it is. So now all that I have to do is mix the levels, probably do a little bit of stereo panning, and then do a final master and get that to him. I really should be able to finish that all off tonight. I'm not going to show the whole drawn out process of mixing and mastering in this video. If that's something that interests you, let me know in the comments, and then I can put together a video about that in the future. So I'm going to finish that, and then I'm going to finish editing the video that you're watching right now. And then I've got a couple of other projects that I'm putting together that will hopefully be out within the same day or the same week as this video that you're watching. Pardon me.